If you're here, you're definitely thinking about starting freelancing, and you can use your current job as a training ground for your future freelancing career. Start by identifying the skills you already use in your current role that could be valuable in freelancing. Are you good at managing projects? Do you excel in client communication or technical problem solving? How fast do you agree with your team members and get the job done? The goal is to pinpoint these transferable skills and consciously develop them further. Take some time to reflect on the skills you currently use in your job and think about how they can be valuable in your future freelance career. Follow these steps to guide your thinking. First of all, list your current skills. Write down all the skills in your job that you currently use that are beneficial for freelance. These might include project management, client communication, technical skills, problem solving, or creative skills. Second, identify skill gaps. Think about any additional skills that are important for freelancing, but that you feel less confident about. Do you need more experience in marketing, financial management, or time management? Make a list of these gaps. Third, plan for skill development. For each skill gap you identified, consider how you can develop these skills while still employed. Other training programs, online courses, or mentorship opportunities available at your current job? Write down specific actions you can take to start building these skills now. Fourth, leverage current opportunities. Look for opportunities within your current job that align with your freelance goals. Other projects you can volunteer for, new roles that you can take on, or ways to expand your current responsibilities to gain more relevant experience. Note down any opportunities that will help you prepare for freelancing. Fifth, create an action plan. Summarize your findings into a simple action plan. List the skills you already have, the skills you need to learn, and the steps you will take to develop these skills while you are still employed. By taking these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a strong foundation for your freelance career while still benefiting from the stability of your current job.